Introducing the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max 5G, redefining mid-range smartphones. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max 5G boasts a sleek design and a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display, offering a vivid and immersive viewing experience. With a screen resolution of 1080x2430 pixels, a refresh rate of 144 Hz, and Corning Gorilla Glass V4, it's ideal for streaming videos or gaming. Powered by a 2.4 GHz octa-core processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset, and 6 GB of RAM, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Max 5G ensures smooth multitasking and gaming experiences. Featuring a quadrangle rear camera array with a 108MP primary sensor and a 32MP front-facing camera, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Max 5G delivers stunning prints and high-quality selfies. Equipped with a 5200 mAh battery and Xiaomi Hypercharge 120W technology, the device charges to 100% in just 19 minutes, offering exceptional battery life and rapid charging. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max 5G redefines mid-range smartphones with its impressive display, powerful performance, exceptional camera capabilities, and rapid charging technology. Stay tuned for its official release on January 4th.